How to transfer Bybit Web3 private key to Metamask. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can import your Bybit Web3 private key to your Metamask account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Bybit app on your mobile and make sure that it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. After that, click on the Web3 icon. Over here, click on Manage Wallets. Then click on Manage Wallet again. Next, tap on the three dots next to your custodial wallet or seed freeze wallet and select Private Key. After that, enter your password to confirm. Then look for the Ethereum network and copy the private key. Now go back to your MetaMask account and click on the account arrow. Then click on Add Account and select Import Account. Finally, paste the private key you copied from Bybit and click on Import. So that's how you can import your Bybit Web3 private key to your MetaMask account. That's all for this video.